Hey y'all, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. My name is Denise and you have just clicked on my organized pantry tour. I'm so excited, y'all. It's heavenly. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know that I did not have this as my concept for this video. I really wanted to do the whole decluttering process with you guys, but it did not pan out. It was a disaster. If you're new here, I am a stay-at-home mom of 2, and the day that I was filming this video, it just was horrible. The conditions were not for a good filming, so I just scrapped the whole idea and I just came up with an organized pantry tour, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as any of my other videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm first going to show you guys a clip of what it looked like before, because I need you guys to appreciate the work that I did put in. All of the clips that I was able to fortunately capture, I will incorporate into this video, but without further ado, let's get into the video.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
So what you're seeing right now is the before of everything. I am very much ashamed of everything. I do have I would say an exceptionally large pantry. The 2 shelves in the middle, Sugarfoot did put those in the pantry last year just because we needed just a little bit more space, as if we didn't have enough already. I think I just have a problem with utilizing the space that I have. So this year I'm trying really hard with the content that I'm creating for you guys to make sure that I'm utilizing my space in a way that will be helpful for you guys as well. So with this pantry, I just needed to declutter, and some of the things will stay the same after you see the after, but just enjoy what you're looking at now, as it is what it is. It was just hell coming in and out of this pantry. It was very traumatizing for my mind, body, and soul. So yeah, I had to make a change. Okay, so coming into the space right here, this side right here is where I store all of our like real food. There's really no snacks over here. There's a few exceptions, but like I said, this is the sustenance of life on this side. So let's get a closer view. Okay, so over here we have all of our cereal selection. Those are all of our favorites. We got Fruit Loops, Lucky Charms. The Lucky Charms are a limited edition, and we have some Honey Smacks. I don't know if you all attended public school, but Honey Smacks was holy grail in public school for me. And we have some Apple Jacks. These 2 right here are my Lazy Susans. I think every pantry needs a Lazy Susan. It does make life a whole lot functional in the pantry. But this one we just have like breakfast condiments. We got some sauce up there, my coffee syrup for in the summer when I make my iced coffees, and Nutella. You gotta have Nutella. I have my oils and my vinegars over there for pickling and daily use. And that's everything that I have on my top shelf. I do have some gaps in between just in case I purchased something that I feel belongs up there. I just wanted to make room. And moving on down to the second shelf. Okay, so over here I just have some pickled cucumbers. I have all of our canned goods. I don't have this fully stocked because I did declutter and there were some things that were out of date, and I just went ahead and discarded them. I do love tuna. As you can see, I love tuna salad, tuna on crackers. It's all yummy. And we have some green peanuts back there because Lucas and Sugarfoot, they really love green peanuts, so I always have some of those in the pantry. And over here, I will say that this little acrylic can holder was not good. It's not a go-to for regular size canned goods. They don't fit. So I just have the soups that I use in like certain recipes. Vienna's not good for the body, but they're still tasty. Sardines. And here I just have some cheese sauce, and I found these at the Dollar Tree. And in the back I have some Uncle Ben's rice packets to make the dinner time a little bit easier for me. This basket right here, this is all of the like specialty flours and soup that Luke my significant other. I also call him Sugarfoot if you don't know that. But anyway, this is his specialty basket, and below that we are going to start with the good stuff. This basket right here is the taco basket. Anything taco related is in there, and it needs its own basket because we love tacos in this house. And this one is my noodles basket. I love pastas and noodles, pastas, whatever is good hearty eating for me in the wintertime. Anytime it's cold outside, I'm always going for spaghetti or a pasta dish. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna eat it. This is all of our rice and mashed potatoes. We have specialty rice in here. I don't really know. This is an Italian rice, something expensive, something that I would never buy. Obviously, Sugarfoot bought that rice, but anyway, that is all some specialty rices in there. I have pancakes, brownies, and stuff back there. Extra syrup. I love Ritz crackers. Ritz crackers. We have our popcorn back there. We have some grits and oatmeal. Right here we have our bread basket. I do have some oatmeal in the back there. I have extra crackers and granola, onion crisps that I found from the Dollar Tree, which is shocking, and some specialty nuts that was necessary for some dessert that I did. I have some straws back there, if you can see those. Napkins. This is a paper plate holder. I don't actually have any paper plates right now, but hopefully the next grocery trip I'll remember to get some. And I just have our griddle right here. And here on the bottom, I just have the dog food. I have Lincoln's treats. If you don't know this, I do have a Chihuahua. His name is Lincoln. These are all his items. I wanted my crock pot and my air fryer to be raised up, so I found this riser at Marshall's. I think it was like $4.99, and I also have my mixer as well. Like I said, I just really wanted my things to not be touching the ground. So yeah, I love how it turned out. Okay, so this little lower shelf right here, this is all of the accessible snacks for Lucas. I have fruit snacks, vanilla cookies, chocolates, and Oreos. This was probably the most fun creation part on this whole thing right here. I just love how I can see everything. It looks really aesthetically pleasing, and I just want you guys to know that a lot of this stuff I already had. Like I said, over here, the only thing that I bought that was new on this side was the riser. So that was it. I did buy this, and I did buy these 2 containers holding the Capri Sun. We have 2 different flavors over here. I have lemonade and I have apple, and I have his brownies and some Star Crunch, which I know about Star Crunch. That's like a throwback snack for me, but anyway, it's still yummy today. And on this top shelf here, I just have some flour, sugar, and some pink Himalayan salt. I have all of our adult beverages in a few leftover water bottles. We do have some kosher salt in the back that was purchased by mistake. But yeah, like I said, all of this I already had. I'm just repurposing them. This I found underneath my kitchen sink. If you missed my under the kitchen sink organization decluttering video, I'll have that linked in the cards for you guys for some more inspiration to organize your life. But anyway, this was all within the home. I did not buy any of this new. Okay, so on this shelf right here, I have some cookbooks right there. I really love the packaging of those pistachios. My mother-in-law gave those to me for Christmas. And I have some fancy chocolates. I forget how to pronounce it. Ferrero Rocher. I don't know. I'll show you guys. I have some specialty hot sauces that Sugarfoot got for his birthday, or it could have been Christmas, but anyway, I just wanted it on display. And I also have a military meal, and that keeps me humble, you guys, because I am just so grateful and in awe of the people that go and fight for us to keep us safe. And I was given that by a neighbor when we had a hurricane, and we were without power for like 3 days, and he just bought that to us just in case we were in need. But anyway, I just have to have that. I'll always hold on to that. And a big old thing of pork rinds. We love pork rinds here, and some overflow. So the things that are purchased new over here on this shelf are these 3 baskets. These 3 baskets, they were $6.99 a piece from HomeGoods, and they are way sturdier than the ones that were here prior, considering what I'm using them for. This basket right here is nothing but chocolates, leftover chocolates from Halloween that have not expired, and I'm not gonna throw them away. This basket is nothing but sunflower seeds. Yes, I have a basket of sunflower seeds in my pantry. We just forget how many packs we actually have because I have them upstairs in my bedroom and da da da. But anyway, these 2 baskets right here are already open chips and peanuts and such, and this basket right here are all of the full unopened bags of chips. And I'm trying to keep everything a little bit in its place as best as I can. Y'all, I cannot revert back to what you saw before this viewing of what it is now. Okay, so like I said, the only thing that was new were these 3 baskets right here, and we're gonna move on to the next level. Okay, so I have my paper towels located right here. I have my coffee, teas, nighttime teas, you know, sleep dream with me teas in there. You can see the little baskets right there with all my teas in there. I have some linens right there, dry off cloths for my dishes and things like that. I have plasticware in this basket right here, and this is all of our like plastic bags. We have trash bags, Ziploc bags, things like that. It can all be found here, and I wanted to make sure that it was a visible basket because I wanted everybody to know that is where those things will be located. I didn't want nobody rummaging through all my baskets. You can see everything. So moving on to this floor level here, I do have some catch-all baskets. Some things that you saw in the before video on that top shelf on this side, they're located down there. I have some placemats, extra towels in there, some liners in this basket, and this is like all like birthday stuff, calendars, Halloween carving kits. Anything is probably in that basket. And you have to have your coolers. If you don't know this, we live in Myrtle Beach, and we go to the beach as many times as we can throughout the year, and we always have a cooler. And last but not least, I'm gonna show you one more thing that I think every pantry needs. Ta-da! I think every pantry needs a plastic bag holder. This is Simple Human. If I can find one on Amazon, I'll try to link something. If I can't find the exact one, I'll find something similar. But this has been a game changer for me because if you've been here long enough, I did a pantry organization video, and I had my plastic bags everywhere in here, and it was traumatizing. But anyway, so I cannot say enough good things about this. Go ahead and get you one, girl, because you are gonna thank me when you do. Alright guys, so that concludes the pantry tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to let you guys know that it is okay to use things that are already accessible to you, and you can shop your home to find certain pieces that you think will work in your pantry. It costs money to have a pantry that is Instagram worthy. My pantry is not that, but it damn sure is functional for me and my family, and that's what I want. And I just want to give you guys the inspiration that you need to tackle that unorganized pantry, because it is the bubble that makes your kitchen the heart of the home. So if you can't function in your pantry, you can't function in the home. It starts in the kitchen. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it enough to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you want to go ahead and watch another one of my videos, girl, subscribe, because I'm on my journey to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm just also offering things that I'm implementing in my own life to help get your life organized. And if this thing helped you at all, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday with some cleaning motivation. Bye!